I love maths. We love maths. Welcome to another maths meeting. Today we're going to do some counting of these 10 frames. That's a bit of a mess. Someone hasn't filled them properly. Do some sharing, slightly different than normal. Bit of a party going on. And an ordering of these numbers that don't start at 1. And to sort out this pattern that someone's made, but there's a problem with it. So we're fixing some problems today. So let's start with counting. Now, we've got these two 10 frames. They don't seem to be sorted properly. There seem to be some missing ones in this one and some missing ones in that one. I think the best solution would be to try and fill this 10 frame first, because if a full 10 frame, we know if it's full, it must be 10. So let's move. Oops, that's fallen down. Definite problem with falling down coins today. So move that one to there. Move this one to fill in that hole. And then move this to fill in that hole. That's neater. And then here we've got missing one. So if I move this one to here, that is much neater. It's organised. So now, these silly coins. Everyone say silly coins. What's going on today? Must be because it's so hot. Right, so 10 frame, full. If it's full, it must be correct, 10. And how many's here? Can we see it straight away? 3, correct. So 10 and 3. I need to add them together. 10 and 3. What could it be? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One full 10 frame and 3 more. 13. I want you to count, please. Let's think about our team numbers. Ready? 7, 11, 13. 11, 12, 13. Good. When I'm counting, make sure you're counting as I move from each coin to each coin. Don't just count without looking. You have to count at each thing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There we go. Counting done. Now, sharing. We're having a party. Yay! Frog, duck, cow. Having a party. So, they have asked for these things. 2 biscuits, 1 cake, and 1 apple each. Okay? So 2 biscuits each, 1 cake each, and 1 apple each. We need to know how many things we need to share them out. How many biscuits do I need? How many cakes do I need? How many apples do I need? Okay, so 3 people, 1 apple each, 1 cake each, 2 biscuits each. Interesting. Let's see. Let's start with the apples. 1 apple each. If they're going to have 1 apple each, how many apples do I need altogether? How many apples do I need to give them 1 each? What do we think? Let's see. Let's give them 1 each. How many apples altogether? 1, 2, 3. I need 3 apples. Okay, next. 1 cake each. If I give them 1 cake each, how many apples do I need? 1 cake each. How many cakes do I need? Let's see, 1 cake each. One cake each. That's 3 cakes. Fantastic. The last one, 2 biscuits each. So 2 biscuits for frog, 2 biscuits for duck, and 2 biscuits for cow. How many biscuits all together? Let's find out. 2 biscuits for cow, 2 biscuits for duck, and 2 biscuits for frog. How many biscuits did I need all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 biscuits. 3 apples, 3 cakes, 6 biscuits. Now we can have a party. Well done. That's a new kind of sharing, and we'll practice doing some more of that. Well done. Now, ordering. We have some numbers. We need to order them from the smallest one to the largest one. These numbers don't start at 1, but they do go in order. So we need to sort them out. So our first question is, what is the smallest number there? Which is the smallest number there? What do we think? The smallest one looks like the number 4. So let's move the 4 to there. 4. What comes next after 4? We're counting in ones. What comes next? 4. 1 more. 5. Good. Then we have after 5. So we've got flat top, bubble top. It must be a flat top one. So it's either this one or this one. Which is the next biggest? So this one? No, that's not 1 more. Let's have a look. It must be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. The next one must be 7. Which one of those is 7? Must be a bubble top? That's right, the pink one. 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. And then, so flat top, bubble top, flat top, bubble top. Flat top, there's only one flat top left, this one. And that's 7, that must be 8. And then finally, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What would come next after 9? That's right, 10. Last thing, here's our pattern. Look at our pattern. It's a circular pattern, like the last one. And I want to see what's wrong with it. There's something wrong. I've made a mistake. Can you see the mistake? Let's see. Square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, circle, square, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. So I can see squares and circles most of the way around, but there's something wrong here. What can you see that's wrong? Perhaps pause the video now, see if you can draw this pattern, but correctly. See if you can draw this pattern correctly. I'll wait for you a minute to do it. Pause the video. And now you're back. Let's see. So, the repeating refrain, the repeating part is a square and a circle. Green square, blue circle. Green square, blue circle. Green square, blue circle. Green square, oh. That's wrong. We don't have 2 circles together. Let's rub that out. What should it be? That's right, a green square. That's better. Oh, that's a blue square. That's weird. That's a green. Oh, but the pen lid's not around. Let's see. With my rubber. There we go. Rub that out. Green circle. So now we've got 3 green squares in a row. So green square, blue circle, green square, blue circle. Let's see. There we go. So, where are we at there? Green square, blue circle, green square, blue circle, green square, blue circle, green square, blue circle, green square, blue circle. Yes, that's better. We fixed it. Pattern sorted. Fantastic, everybody. So we've done our counting to 13. We've done our sharing or finding out how many things we need to have a party. We've ordered numbers that don't start with 1, and we fixed the pattern. At home, find 13 things, put them in a 10 frame, have a party with your parents, or your sister or brother, or your toys, and then work out what do we need from a party. How many biscuits we're going to have, how many cakes, how many apples, how many sweets, and then give everyone the same. Okay, and then write your shopping list. So my shopping list would be, for this party, I need 3 apples, 3 cakes, and 6 biscuits. And have a go ordering numbers. Get some numbers, mix them up, and try and put them in the right order. And if you find that easy, do it in a backwards order. Start at 10 and go down. There's some tasks for you today. And then keep going with your circular patterns, okay? Make sure they go all the way round. I know some of you are fantastic at that. I know particularly Katia, you are a pattern expert. I know that Laurie is doing fantastic patterns. Lots of you are doing really good patterns at home. So keep that up. Well done, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.